Hi, it's Kerry here. Today we're having a look at the Playmobil City Life Dog Park. They're so cute. I've added the coloured rings and the yellow tube for the dogs to run through. Look at the little one. Let's give you a hand. Can you tell me how many dogs and puppies in this playset? Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like dogs and puppies. And here's the box, and the number on the side is 6145. These are all the things you get. I really like this. There's a little white cat with this set. I think it would like to sleep in the sun somewhere. I've just got the perfect spot for it. This is a border collie. You'll notice that its head moves. I've put the collar on it as well. The German Shepherd. He's got his lead on him, and it's one of those retractable leads. So notice that his tail moves, legs move, and head moves. You can even make him sit down by bringing his back legs forward. Too much excitement in this park to sit down. And this is the Black Labrador. Again, the back legs move, you can make it sit down. The tail stays on this one, but the head does move. Labradors are such lovely dogs. Here's the Beagle Puppy. Just the head moves on this one. So cute. He wants to be just like the big dogs. A bone for the dogs. And a Frisbee. The Frisbee fits inside the little model's hands. And here's the Dalmatian with his blue collar. So the head moves on this one, but not the legs. Everything you can see comes in this play set. I think it's really good. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.